Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I want to talk about 5 reasons you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. So let's get started, and the first thing that I want to talk about is the bigger display size on Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Now the one that I have here is the 47mm version, but even the 43mm version of this watch has a bigger screen as compared to the respective models of Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. So Galaxy Watch 4 Classic comes in 42mm and 46mm. Galaxy Watch 6 Classic comes in 43 and 47mm. On Galaxy Watch 6 Classic we get 1.3-inch display and 1.7-inch display as compared to the 1.2-inch and 1.6-inch on Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Now these are a lot of numbers, and on paper this may not seem like a big difference, but when you put these two watches side by side you can actually appreciate the difference. The display on Galaxy Watch 6 Classic feels much bigger as compared to the display on Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. The upsides of this are several. You can see more information on this display, more lines of text on this display. It's easier to read the information on a bigger display, and it's easier to read the information from away as well, from a distance as well. You don't really need to bring your watch closer to your eyes in order to read. You can just read it from far away and you can read more information. And then that's not it. The display is much crispier and brighter. So the maximum brightness on Galaxy Watch 6 Classic display is 2000 nits, which is more than Samsung Galaxy flagship phones, whereas for reference the maximum brightness on Galaxy Watch 4 Classic is 1000 nits. So there is a 100% increase in brightness levels on Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. So all of this makes this display bigger, better, crispier, and it also feels bigger because the bezels are now slimmer and thinner, and that also gives it a bigger and sleeker look. The next reason that I want to talk about is the new processor on Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Now we are getting Exynos W930 processor as compared to the Exynos W920 processor on Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 5. With this new processor, your watch is much faster, animations are smoother, you can switch between apps easily without any problems, there are less stutters, you can start your workouts faster, you can change your watch faces faster as well. So there are a lot of benefits of this newer processor. The overall software of the watch seems much more smoother and faster now. And with the newer processor, we are also getting more RAM on Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, which complements the newer processor. So now we are getting 2GB of RAM as compared to 1.5GB on previous Galaxy watches. So this more RAM means you can have more apps running in the background or at the same time. So you can be tracking your activities with music playing in the background, and this experience will be more smoother and seamless. You will see less stutters. You can change your watch faces more quickly. Animations will be faster. If you like to play games on your watch or you like to download a lot of apps, all of that will benefit from this more RAM, because now more apps can be running in the background at the same time. Next up, let's talk about the software. So Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is running on the latest Wear OS software, which is Wear OS 4, and on top of that it's running on One UI 5. And right now it is the only watch in the world that is running Wear OS 4, so that's the advantage as it is. But then it comes with a lot of software features and goodies, like you can now create folders in the app drawer. There are albums in the gallery that you can now create. There is a new interface for watch faces. There is a new interface to add widgets. You can now create folders in the app drawer, and there is speech to text feature in the voice recorder, and there are a lot of little features here and there that they have improved in the software that you will find when you start to use the app, which is great. And did I mention that it is the only Android watch which is running on Wear OS 4 right now in the world. And now finally, the last reason that I want to talk about is the Samsung Health and health tracking on this watch. Now it covers the basics really well. There is your fitness tracking, it is waterproof, there is sleep tracking, there is ECG, there is blood pressure, all of that is there. But now there are added features on top of these features as well. So for example, now we are also getting sleep coaching on the watch itself. You don't even have to open your Samsung Health app. So what the watch will do is that it will take your 7 days of sleep data and then give you personalized sleep coaching on the watch. And there is a dedicated watch face for that as well, and a dedicated watch face complication for that as well. There is now sleeping skin temperature measurement. So when you are sleeping, the watch will measure your skin temperature, and that will let you know what kind of temperature is better for your sleep, in what temperature you are sleeping to the maximum or the best level. Then there are real-time heart rate zones. So if you're running or if you're walking, the watch will tell you in real time what your heart rate zone or what zone you need to be in to achieve your goals, which is fantastic. And that's not it, there is even background ECG tracking as well on Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. So the watch will take your ECG readings in the background and keep an eye on your heart and will let you know if there are any problems. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. There is a lot more in Samsung Health when you start to dig through it. So yeah, these are the 5 most important reasons why you should buy Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. And that's about it from this video, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.